All right, so this is going to be the last video or last update with the Kioti. Kioti and I have formally reached an agreement outside of the lemon law process through New York State. We were able to settle before arbitration, which is all any of us can ask for. Kioti, thank you. I've been through a lot with this tractor, both the dealer and I have, and for me, this is the outcome that I was hoping for. I'm not going to disclose the terms of that, but I'm happy with the outcome, and I appreciate Kioti and the dealer for how they handled this. I'm glad we didn't go to arbitration and we were able to avoid that whole process. So as of right now, this is the last video on the Kioti update. Since the last one, however, the parking brake light is stuck on. I'm not sure why or what caused that. This was probably a month or so ago that kicked on, and I'm not 100% certain as to why that happened. So in moving forward, full transparency, moving forward with a different company altogether. I'm going with a John Deere, and I'll do a video on that down the road. But, you know, for now, Kioti, I appreciate you working with me and the folks over at the legal team, getting this squared away. I know you guys are going to be watching, but you know, thank you for handling this the way you did. And to the dealer, you know, I'm sorry things didn't work out, but I appreciate your professionalism in the end. But, you know, none of this would have been possible without that tractor. So for all its faults, I am glad I had it. This is the area that the pigs were in. This is that sunflower patch, pumpkin patch type of deal that we had. A lot of weeds, of course, but pigs did a number on them. You can see here, like I said, it's November. We've had them since August. They're due to go to the abattoir next month. So they're growing out really nice. Everybody's spoken for, so all the pigs are allotted. You know, thank you to the folks who reached out and you know, are supporting us. Much appreciated. But they're going to be here for the next month or so. We were going to move them in the woods. However, I'm doing some fencing up there. But what I'm going to do here is deep bedding instead. So I had to bring in a ton of wood chips and material. From here on out, I'm pretty much going to use straw, spent hay, stuff like that, just because I'm not going to have a tractor to be able to move it around with. But these guys are growing out super good. The feed we're using is doing what it's supposed to do, and we couldn't ask for anything better. Got them here in this our little pig port. This is the structure that we used. They're built last year and we used throughout the year. It's been a carport for our tractor. It's been a storage place to get things out of the elements. Currently, the pigs are using it. Fresh bedding, straw, keep them out of the wind a little bit. So, you know, we're doing what we can. Winter's definitely here, or it's fast approaching. It's a balmy 29 degrees today with a little bit of wintry mix. But yeah, things are moving along here. We're moving and grooving. As you've probably noticed, the videos have not been as frequent, if you will, but just know that we're working hard over here. I've got probably 4 or 5 videos in the hopper as we speak. I'm just trying to find time to edit them. Got the content, finding time to edit's a whole nother story. So thanks for tuning in. Short video today. Just want to give you a little update of what was going on with the tractor and then with the pigs. So catch you all in the next one. Thank you.